To plant pathology. I'm Alia Ijaz Abbasi, 18 arid 1851, BSc Honors Agriculture, morning 4th semester. Today I'll tell you about some host plants like rose plant, walnut plant, grape plant, apple plant, and black raisins plant. Basically my basic scenario is to explain leaves diseases. How some diseases occurs on leaves. As you can see that I'll show some leaves. This leaf is properly damaged. There are some type of diseases occur on that plant like powdery mildews, stem canker, dieback, or somehow. This is basically walnut tree leaf, as you can see that, and this is properly damaged. As you can see that this type of disease occur on that leaf. So basically this leaf, as I'll show this type of leaf, this is properly damaged leaf, or it can fall off from the tree. So there are some other leaves, as I'll show you. Basically I'm in my native area Murray, so the trees or leaves available on that type of area, I'll explain some those. As I'll prepare earlier a herbarium sheet on some host plants available on my native area like rose plant leaves, walnut tree leaves, grape tree leaves, and apple tree leaves, and black raisins or amlok tree leaves. So I'll explain some diseases, causes, symptoms, and treatments on those type of leaves. Basically, as I'll show, this is a rose tree leaf. As you can see that there are some type of diseases occurs on that. So I'll explain what diseases occur on that leaf and their causes, treatments, and symptoms. Basically the disease, there are most common and serious diseases occurs on basically rose plant leaves are powdery mildews, black spotting, stem canker, and disease dieback. Their symptoms is basically leaf tissue may turn yellow and around the spots. As you can see that leaf tissue may turn yellow. This is the biggest example of yellowing. So it can often fall off from or drop off from the tree, even though basically other parts are yet unaffected. So the next one is apple tree leaves. As you can see that this is apple tree leaves and it is brownish or blackish on somehow. So as I can explain some disease scenario on these type of leaves. Basically fire blight is a bacterial disease that runs rampant in many parts of the US and difficult to control. The disease overwinter in infected wood and spread in the spring through rain. The next one is black raisins or amlok tree leaves. As you can see that this is amlok tree leaf, and I'll explain some diseases on those type of leaves. Infections occurs basically through the fungus Diplocarpon rosae, and their symptoms is in early summer young galls or new areas of growth on the edges of older galls are covered with velvety olive green spores. Now the next one is walnut tree leaves. I'll show walnut tree leaves. This is walnut tree leaves, and as you can see that what types of diseases occurs on that tree. This is also a walnut tree, as I'll show you. This is also a walnut tree. This disease I'll show that. See. Now this is also a walnut tree leaf. As you can see that this is basically properly damaged and it can fall off from the tree. So I'll explain some disease scenario, what types of diseases occur on that leaves or walnut leaves. So basically walnut blotch or anthracone is a fungal disease that overwinter in walnut debris and in twig liaisons. Symptoms: second brown blotches develop petioles, young developed in petioles, as you can see that. Copper tanked mixed with menzate for each treatment is currently the best available choice for walnut blight management.